Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Then click here to internet section and click once on the switcher to activate Wi-Fi. After that you'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Now we should enter here our password. If you want to see this password, you should click here on this checkbox. I'll make it out of screen. Now just let's tap here to connect. Wait a second and we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select more networks here, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that, for example, you can just switch between them if you have the poor internet connection, slow internet connection. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here on the switcher and that's it. By the way, you can find these networks was just previously connected here in Saved Networks section. So also have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts. Then you'll see here this internet section. Click here to activate Wi-Fi. Click once on the switcher. After that, just select here once from the networks. Enter the passwords. We can click here to see all, and just by this way we can launch the full Wi-Fi internet settings. And to turn it off by the same way, just click here on the switcher, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.